What's going on, you guys? Phase Rainbow here. Holy fuck, we got 3 inches of snow this morning. It's currently 1:30, 2 o'clock in the morning. The snow is packed, so we're gonna cold start this Dodge. Jesus Christ. It's locked. Sorry, you won't be able to see in here. Ooh. So you can't see. I'm gonna cycle through the go plugs twice. Hang on, let me get in this fucking truck. Okay. This key is funny. The hell's... Okay. Cold start to Dodge. She's very slippy here, boys. Fucking barely get out of this. Alright. Look at all the fucking snow. There's at least a minimum of a fucking foot right on my... Like, just everywhere, guys. Alright. There's exhaust on this one. This is... Okay, so from last year, we recently... we had the 4-door, but we don't have that anymore, because the guy that we plow with sold it. Oh, the exhaust is right in there. I don't know if you can really see it. I don't know where the fucking exhaust for this is. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I don't have time to fool around. I gotta go fucking get shit on. So I'll be back in a few. Well, as you can see, guys, I'm in the plow truck. Finally, for fucking once, I have the phone on the proper side that I should have it on. I've always done it on one side. Like, I would have it like this, and there'd be like 2 black lines here and there. That's no fucking good. But, so what happened here was, one of the plow trucks, I guess the battery's dead somehow, or the alternator's all screwed up. I don't know. And that truck just arrived not even a second ago, just before I started the video. Make sure the volume is up there. Other than that, everything seems to be well. So we just did a bunch of parking lots, driveways. Oh, that might be a little too loud. CB, yeah. Anyways, we're just jumping somebody, and we should be on the go there in a few. We've got a tremendous amount of snow. I'd say a little bit over 3 feet in a lot of spots. Like all over there. Like even in my dad's driveway, like you'd walk out. Before, last year was a lot worse, but this year there was about at least 3, a little over. Maybe I kind of ran it up to about 4 feet of snow. Maybe a little less than that. So yeah, we got 10 to 15 centimeters of snow.
You got a copy?
But oh shit!
Andrew's here. He got the
CB's all stacky, guys. I'm gonna let you go, so I'll get back to you guys when we're on the go.
Did the French church, eh, Rowan? Okay, I'm just checking to see if he did it yet.
Big ass pile.
I couldn't get in there. Junior. Jamie, Roland, you want him to head over quickly to the French church?
We got some action going on here.
Jamie or Junior?
Is he not trying to call you there?
Yeah?
Are you done at that here?
What we have on this truck now is a boss
Hey,
plan.
Roland, you hear me here? Junior wants...
The camera is good here. Almost looks like a dash cam wheel. It's funny. Fuck shit is he doing? It almost looks like a Dodge cam for you. It's funny. Remember that run that we went on here? Imagine it was a skidoo run. You know, that'd be actually cool. Bumpy. Yeah, I got a better view here. Now, instead of an ATV run, to be a skidoo run. That'd be pretty cool. They don't do that, do they? Skidoo runs?
Poker runs, yeah. For the skidoo, yeah. I don't have a fucking skidoo.
Like a trustworthy.
Well, I gotta pay insurance on every fucking skidoo to put it on the trail.
You got that right. I mean, the 340 is like, it comes and it goes, but I don't know if it's I wouldn't really trust it.
Corey has another skidoo now.
Yeah, I know it. I bet you he's driving it today.
No, he's in Toronto.
Oh, eventually. I don't want to feel bad. I'm trying to film the streets here. Some of them are plowed. We just missed one there. I didn't get in the footage. One hasn't been plowed yet.
Are you tired?
No, not really, no. We got about 3.5 feet of snow
Here?
in Petawawa.
No.
Oh, 3 feet.
No!
I don't know. It feels like when I went in the back there was like 3 feet.
Got about 8 inches.
I don't know. To me, it looks like 3 feet. Truck rides really good. Imagine rolling some coal there.
Holy fuck, the roads are packed down, eh?
Yeah, it doesn't take long for it to be packed down.
No, because it's so wet, now it turned cold.
No, we've had to wait till it turns clear ice. It'll be all shiny. There's that city truck. The camera seems to be very blurry. Give me a second here.
Slow here, Jamie. Fucking everything is thought out here.
Well, guys, I'll get back to you when we're all finished up.